Welcome back to our video series on how to customize our free motion graphics pack template for YouTube creators. If you'd like to follow along, you can find a link to the free template in the description below. This next video is going to cover how to customize our looping backgrounds. Let's dive in. So let me just drop these looping backgrounds on here. And they are pretty simple. All they are is just kind of this animated rings that come on and then just sit there, and they stay static for about 10 seconds, then vanish and then reappear. So as you can see right here, these are great for anytime you need to do a presentation and you need to have like a bullet point list come on screen. It's just an aesthetically pleasing kind of like slideshow. So let me change these. Actually, I'm going to change my red to gold. I'm going to select one of these, select that blue, copy it, come back to my looping background and change that hex code to blue. Okay, and then let's go ahead and play through that. Then all you need to do is come over here to your type tool, click and drag a type box out here, and you can do something like tip 1, tip 2, tip 3, and so on. Then you could use a transition to transition into these looping backgrounds and use a transition to transition out of the looping backgrounds as well. Then we have another looping background over here. And this one just kind of has some rings that kind of rotate through. Okay, so let's go ahead and customize that. We'll select, I think the last color I selected was the gold, so I'll come here. Oh, it was the blue. Oh, that was right, sorry. Okay, and then we'll come to this one and steal that gold. Then do a quick preview. Just like that. And I'll move this over here just so you can kind of see how that would work. All right, and then just to close out the pack, we have 2 end card graphics. Now that you've learned how to customize the looping backgrounds, watch our next video on how to customize the end cards.